To another video. The new hacks just dropped. Yes, the new hacks, not necessarily the best ones, but we do got some sort of tools that you guys might be interested on. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icons so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Let's go ahead and get started. So you got this. This is the basic, the 5 amp hour starter kit. It says top rated. So just the 5 amp hour and a regular for $199. Plus, you are able to choose the free tool. So there's some options here. You got the vacuum. Like I said, this is not the on the previous video. This is not the most powerful vacuum, but it should do fine for household use, maybe for light duty shop use. So if you need something portable, that's your vacuum right there. So this 129, it is hackable with this starter kit. You got the brushed angle grinder for one valued at 149. You got the brushed sander. However, I did have the sander before. I do have the sander, and it works pretty good. It's not bad at all. This is the 5 inch random orbit sander 129. You got the 6.5 circular saw. This is brushed, valued at 129. You got the hacksaw, valued at 129. Here's another one you guys could get. You guys could get this job site radio. However, I don't know exactly if this one does have Bluetooth. I know there's one that does not have. So you might want to double check that in the description of this item. You got the cordless oscillating multi-tool here at the bottom. And then you got the 18-volt lithium ion cordless saw reciprocating saw, valued at 129. However, this one's not the brush, not the fuel. It's just the M18. Then the last one is the Gen 2 18-volt lithium cordless 4000 lumen rubber lights. So I would definitely jump on that rubber lights or the vacuum. So those are pretty good. The sander's pretty good as well, and the radio. So definitely check it out, guys. Pretty decent deals here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Thank you.